In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link PayPal to Xero. If you want customers to pay your Xero invoices online with a card or their PayPal balance, connecting PayPal is the fastest way to make that happen. Before we start, make sure you're logged into the correct Xero organization and that you have permission to manage settings. It also helps to have your PayPal business account details handy, since you'll be asked to authorize the connection. First, go to Xero in your web browser and sign in. Once you're in your organization's dashboard, look toward the top left for the company menu. Open that menu and select Settings. This is where you control organization-wide features, including what payment options appear on your invoices. Inside Settings, choose Online Payments. This page lists the payment services you can use with Xero. It's the control center for adding and managing providers like PayPal, and it determines which options your customers will see when they open an invoice online. Next, click Add a new service. This brings up Xero's catalog of supported payment services. You'll see familiar options here, and PayPal will be one of them. Choosing from this list ensures you're using Xero's official supported integration, which keeps everything secure and compliant. Now, find PayPal and click Add another account. Even if it's your first time connecting, Xero uses this wording because you can connect more than one PayPal account if your business needs it. A PayPal window will open, prompting you to sign in and grant permission for Xero to receive payment information. Go ahead and authorize the connection. This step allows Xero to create Pay Now buttons on your invoices and to receive payment confirmations automatically after your customers pay. Once authorization completes, Xero will take you back to the Payment Services area where you'll see PayPal listed as connected. From here, Xero uses your existing invoice settings to decide where the Pay Now button appears. If you use multiple branding themes, the option is controlled by those themes, and the PayPal button will show on any invoice that allows online payments. When customers pay, PayPal will handle fees on their side, and Xero will record the payment amount it receives. If your PayPal account uses a different currency, Xero will apply your organization's currency settings when the payment comes through. A quick recap. Open Xero, go to Settings, select Online Payments, click Add a new service, then choose PayPal and click Add another account to authorize. That's all you need to link PayPal to Xero and start accepting online payments on your invoices.